Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Explaining. Here is another problem on integration by parts. Remember, I have already created a video on integration by parts concept where I have explained what is integration by parts, the formula, the guidelines, and all that, how to choose U and DV. I have also created another video on integration by parts where there is a portion of the integrand, the portion which is one of the portions of the integrand is an exponential function. So if you have not watched those videos, please do so that you can find it easier to solve or to understand or to get to know better how to solve this problem. Remember, I have said much on when explaining the concept of integration by parts. So some of the things, the main reason why I'm saying that you should watch, or you have to watch the previous videos on integration by parts, is that some things maybe I might omit them here. Are we there? So here's the problem. Thank you for doing that. Evaluate integration of x squared in x dx, x squared in x dx. Remember, in my video on integration by parts concept, I started two guidelines that will help you to choose U and DV. Are you there? The first guideline was try letting DV the most complicated portion of the integrand and fits a basic integration rule, then U will be the remaining factor or factors of integrand. Then the second was try letting U be the portion of the integrand whose derivative is a function similar than U. Then dv will be the remaining factor or remaining factors of the integrand. Remember, can be one factor or more than one factors. Are you there? So in this case, solution in this case, x squared is more easily integrated than in x more easily integrated than in x. Furthermore, the derivative of in x is simpler. The derivative of in x is simpler than in x. Therefore, we should let dv to be equals to we should let dv to be equals to x squared dx. Are we there? So dv is equals to x squared dx, then u is equals to in x, so our v is equals to integration of dv, which is the integration of x squared dx. Are we there? Which will give us when we integrate, we increase the power by 1, then we divide by the answer that you have gotten here after increasing. For example, here is x squared, so we'll increase, we'll add 1 so that you have 2 plus 1, which becomes 3, and then we divide by 3. Are you there? So that the answer becomes x cubed. Remember, we have increased the power by 1, divide by 3. That's is our v. Then our u in x, so du dx, when we differentiate in x, we get 1 over x. Are you there? So du is equals to, if we multiply both sides by dx, we get du is equals to 1 over x dx. Okay, are we there? So integration by parts produces the following. You apply the formula for integration by parts. U dv, integration of u dv is equals to uv minus integration of v du. So this becomes integration of x squared in x dx. Remember, this is just this right there, I've just copied, is equals to uv. What's our u? Our u is in x, then our v is x cubed over 3. Are we there? So that we have x cubed over 3 in x, or in x times x cubed over 3 is the same thing, minus integration of v is x cubed over 3, then du. We say that du, have gotten that du is equals to 1 over x dx. So 1 over x dx. Are we there? Hope we are following. Hope we are together. Hope no one is lost. This is the same as x cubed over 3 in x minus 1 over 3. This 1 over 3, or we can write this in this form: 1 over 3 into x cubed dot 1 over x dx, which is the same as x cubed over 3 in x minus 1 over 3 integration of x here 1, x here, x squared. Are we together? Dx. This becomes x cubed. You can see I'm just enjoying in x minus 1 over 3. If we integrate x squared, we get x cubed over 3. We increase the power by 1. Since it's 2, we add 1, we get 3. Then we divide by the increased power. Are we there? So it will be 1 over 3. If we integrate this with respect to dx, we get x cubed over 3. Are we there? Then we add an arbitrary constant c plus c. So the final answer becomes x cubed over 3 in x minus, this times this, we get x cubed. 1 times x cubed is 1, x is x cubed, then 3 times 3 is 9 over 9 plus c, and that becomes our answer for this. Hope you have understood. You can also check the result by differentiating. If you differentiate this, I do believe that you get this. If you differentiate this, I do believe that you will get this integrand. Are you there? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so that we continue learning, we support each other. You teach me, I teach you. Maybe there's an area or a topic in mathematics or even in physics, because I do teach or create videos on mathematics topics, physics topics, and many others. So if there is an area that is disturbing you, or finding it some difficulties, or there's something that's not clear, you can leave a comment down there, comment section. You can leave a comment so that I can create a video for that area, so that we continue learning these things. We help each other, we move together. Thank you so much. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.